Here I have Motorola Moto E22i, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button. Well, you can't find it yet, but you will find it soon. So then in that case you go to settings, then you go to network and internet, and here you can find hotspot and tethering. So here you have this Wi-Fi hotspot, here you can enable it, here you can change its name, here you can display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. Here you can change its security protocol, here you can change its password. You can also set it to turn off automatically when no devices are connected, and you can extend its compatibility. And after you switched it once, you can now switch hotspot here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.